dinner for tonight. Ayan, ating abalon. Ating shrimp. Ano ito? Clam na malaki. Ito yung maliliit. Ayan, na fresh. Mag-hotpot po tayo, guys. Ayan. Malaki. Ayan. Tumatalong-talong pa ito eh. Ayan. Ating hotpot. Ayan, beef. Ayan, dumplings. Ayan, beef ball. Ayan lang. Simple. Simpleng hotpot. Ayan. May lumalaban dyan ah. May pumapalag. Ayan yung ano. Ayan. Ang laki oh. Ayan. Nanggigigil ito. Nanggigigil. Charot, 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 charot. Nanggigigil. Sana. Ito rin nanggigigil. Tumatalon-talon. Ayan. Thanks for watching. Ayan. Ubusin ka namin mamaya. Ang malaki. Guys, hindi na mag-iwalay ito. Ayan, mag-iwalay din. Look at this. It's a fresh abalone. So dirty, right? I need to brush. Like this. Yeah, make it clean. It's so dirty. It's very, what's this? Yan, tanggalin lang po natin. Guys, ganito po ang pagtanggal ng vein. Yan. Ng ating shrimp. Yan. Meron tayong toothpick. Yan. Then dito, tusukin natin. Then dahan-dahan po natin. Yan. Yan guys. Yan. Thanks for watching.